Welcome back to AI and Tech Simplified. I'm your host, and today is day 2 of our AI learning journey. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every day we're unlocking the future, one concept at a time. Right. Today, let's talk about the different types of artificial intelligence. Yes, not all A's are created equal. Based on capabilities, AI is divided into 3 types: ANI, AGI, and ASI. Confused? Don't be. Let's break it down together. Part 1. ANI. Artificial Narrow Intelligence. First up, ANI, Artificial Narrow Intelligence. This is the AI we use today. It's smart, but only in specific tasks. Think of Ani like a calculator, super fast at math. But ask it to cook biryani, not happening. It can recognize faces, play chess, or recommend a movie, but it can't think outside that box. Humans call that artificial intelligence. Part 2. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. Next is AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. This is human-level intelligence. A GI would understand, learn, and solve problems across different areas. Just like a human, it would pass the Turing test, make decisions like us, and maybe even have emotions. But we're not there yet, though researchers are working on it. For now, AGI remains a goal to be achieved. Imagine a world where machines really think like us. What would that look like? Part 3. ASI, Artificial Superintelligence. And finally, ASI, Artificial Superintelligence. This is AI that's smarter than humans in every field. Faster, wiser, more creative. It could cure diseases, solve climate change, or if misused, become dangerous. That's why experts like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking have raised red flags about ASI. We're far from here, and there's no timeline to get there. ASI is the big, important questions about life, the universe, and everything. So to recap, ANI is what we have today. Task-specific AGI is the goal. Human-like AI-ASI is the future. Beyond human intelligence. Pretty cool, right? Now you know the basics of ANI, AGI, and ASI. Each level brings its own challenges and possibilities. As we venture further into the world of AI, remember, it's not just about machines thinking like us. It's about augmenting, assisting, and understanding the incredible power of the human mind. Speaking of understanding, let me know in the comments which type of AI excites or scares you the most. And don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. In day 3, we'll dive into machine learning, the core engine behind most modern AI. So hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss it. At AI and Tech Simplified, we believe in demystifying complex topics, making them easy to understand, so you can stay updated with the latest trends in AI, machine learning, and technology. Till then, here's another video on AI and Tech Simplified that you might like. If you've been enjoying my content, please support me through the link in the description. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay smart.